Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a design sprint workflow into Miro for collaboration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials related to your design sprint workflow. Open Miro on your device and create a new board for your project. Familiarize yourself with the Miro interface to navigate easily. Import any existing documents or materials related to your design sprint. Drag and drop these files onto your Miro board for easy access. Create sections on your board for each phase of the design sprint. Label these sections clearly, such as Understand, Define, Ideate, Prototype, and Test. Use sticky notes to summarize key points from your sprint's initial phase. Add your team's ideas and insights in the corresponding sections using color-coded sticky notes. Utilize Miro's text boxes to provide more detailed explanations where necessary. Incorporate diagrams or charts to visualize important data related to your design sprint. Encourage team members to collaborate in real time by inviting them to your Miro board. Share the board's link with your team via email or messaging platforms. Set up a specific time for a collaborative session to brainstorm and fill in the sections together. Use Miro's voting features to prioritize ideas generated during the ideate phase. Compile feedback in the test section after conducting any user testing. As your team progresses, update the board regularly to reflect changes and new insights. Ensure that all team members have the opportunity to contribute during each phase. Document key decisions made within Miro to maintain a clear record for future reference. Once final prototypes are created, organize them on your board for easy comparison. Review the entire design sprint process with your team directly on the Miro board. Use Miro's presentation mode to share your findings with stakeholders or clients effectively. Export the final board as a PDF or image to retain a record of your collaborative efforts. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your design sprint workflow into Miro for effective collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.